Mlbe General Machines Production Base Quick Scan. Semi-finished product and spare parts storage area. Professional production lines for generators, engines and water pumps. Engine components assembly and installations. Engine side cover oil seal and bearing installation. Engine series numbers carving. Engine case head cover installation. Engine flywheel and recoil starter installation. Air filter and muffler installation. 100% running performance test and power test. Engine rotational speed detection. Engine fuel tank air tightness test. Engine fuel tank installation. Water pump body air tightness test. Generator components installation. Generator control panel installation. Generator motor installation and test. Generator 100% intensification test. 100% above 3 hours intensification test for power stability. Product surface and spare parts inspection and packing department. Spare parts warehouse quick scan. Semi-finished and finished product storage area. Mlbe warehouse area quick scan.